Welcome to this short tutorial about setting up a multi-user system in standard accounts. With a multi-user system, you can have more than one user connected to the same server and working in the system at the same time. You can set up a multi-user system on all cloud installations, with up to 5 users working at a time. This tutorial explains how to create additional users, shows what you need to subscribe to if these users need to work simultaneously, explains how new users log in, and shows a report on active users. You should start setting up your multi-user system by creating user accounts for everybody who will use the system. Select the Users button in the Navigation Center, press the Create button in the Browse window, and choose New Person. All users must be set up with individual signatures and standard IDs to enable them to log into your system. The signature can be a person's initials, while the standard ID should be a functioning email address. Fill in these fields and save. After creating a user account, you should give the user a password. Go back to the list of users, highlight the new user account and select Change Password from the Operations menu. Fill in a new password, retype it and save. Please keep in mind that the password needs to be at least 8 characters long. Set up all the users you need in this way. You can create as many person cards as you like, but please keep in mind that only up to 5 users will be able to log into standard accounts at the same time. In addition to setting up user accounts, you may also want to restrict the access to your system that you will give to certain users. You can do this by subscribing to the Access Groups feature. Please refer to our tutorial on access groups for more information. Any user with a person record can log into your system using their signature or standard ID and password. However, without subscribing to the extra user functionality in the marketplace, only one person will be able to log into your system at a time. To allow your colleagues to work with you simultaneously in the same database, you will need to subscribe to extra users in the marketplace. Open the marketplace and find the Users in-app under Recommended Subscriptions in the Marketplace window. Enter the number of extra users you want to add to your base package, meaning the number of extra users that will be able to log in and work at the same time. In this example, I will subscribe to 3 extra users, so 4 users, including me, will be able to log in at the same time. Press Subscribe and go to the shopping basket to pay and finalize the subscription. After subscribing to additional users, you will be able to work with your colleagues at the same time. The first time they start the Standard Accounts app on a new machine or device, they will need to log in using your standard ID, which is the email address you used for registering the database and the password for it. This will allow the machine or device to find and connect to the server. Having done so, any user will be able to log in on that device using their signature or standard ID and password. It is possible to see a list of the users logged in at the current moment. Go to the System module, select the Settings icon in the Navigation Center, and select Active Users. This will list all the users currently logged in. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on multi-user installations. If you have any questions about this or any other functionality within standard accounts, please watch our other tutorials, visit our forum, or read the FAQs on our website at www.standard-accounts.com.